coyote, and it's right here, and it comes over here, and then it hides behind the mountain, and it will come by later. So we're going to sow these bees over by the honeybee, over by the mountain right here. And then a robin, a cardinal, flies over here and goes onto the branch. And then we have the salamander, a Gila monster, and it appears right there near the little cactus plant thing. And then going to look for the saguaro cactus. It's right by Epic Wonders. And then the dandelion near a waterfall. And then we have the woodchuck that pops out of here. And then we have the scorpion, which comes out from this little purple bush. So we have the rattlesnake, that's about right there. And it slithers past and then turns really tiny. So we got the coyote, goes over here, howls, and then disappears over the side. And so we're going to look for the spider. Oh, there it is. The tarantula. It's about right there. Crawls in. And I think we have one more. We just got the peregrine falcon. Now it comes really quick through here, and it flies into there, and it flies back. So thank you for watching the giveaway. I'm going to add this to the giveaway, the cactus chair. Going to be adding that. So it's the cactus chair and the red panda plushie from Mitt Shiver. And the lemonade stand from Crystal Sands.